Let's see if we can scatter the maggies. And hopefully they won't attack. Oh, look, he's going after them. See, yeah, this is a new experience for him. Totally new. Totally new. Clever boy. Off he goes. And, oh, he's getting too far away. Snoozer! Come on, buddy. Back. At least he stopped at his name. All right. He's having so much fun. You like the birds, eh? Not the lead, but the birds. All right. No, don't want you going snake country. Oops. What did he spot? A little bird. All right. And he's down. What behaviour? What type of dog does this? Alright, I'm going to have to speed it up, guys. Probably kill myself now. Come on! Come on! And we're getting to the bin chickens. So, alright, so I'm on high now. I put it on high. I don't know how many kilometres I'm going. Come on, buddy! 11 kilometres an hour, 12 kilometres an hour. And off he goes. Bin chickens, all going. They're actually called ibis. They're an ibis. Alright, let's get this little guy running home. I just want to touch base. Snoose, come here. Come. Off he goes. See how. Snoozer, come on, buddy. So, good boy. Good boy for coming back so close.